Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your VIVO X300 Ultra. So first, what we want to do is we want to open up our control center. We want to open it once more, and we want to make sure that this auto rotate icon is blue and white. Now, we can test the gyroscope. We can tilt our phone to test it. So I'm going to grab the phone and I'm going to do something like this. As you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. It works in every single app. And if the gyroscope is not working properly to you, then I want you to restart the phone. So this will basically reset the sensors. So we're gonna press the power button, volume up button, and now swipe to restart. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and update our software to fix the sensors issues. So now let's go over and unlock our phone. What are we going to do here is we're going to swipe up, go to settings, and swipe down until we see system update almost at the bottom. Now it tells me that we are already on the latest system version, and if you guys are not on the latest version, then I hope that you update it. You have a button right here. It will be somewhere here in between, and make sure to update. It's very important to keep your device safe from everything. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.